According to the search results, people in Cambodia plant rice in the dry season for several reasons. One reason is that the dry season crop takes less time to grow, only 3 months from planting in November to harvesting in January or February 1st. Another reason is that the dry season crop may benefit from the CO2 fertilization effect, especially under irrigated conditions too. However, planting rice in the dry season also faces some challenges, such as changing climate, irregular rainfall, low temperature and nutrient deficiency 324. Therefore, farmers need to adopt suitable varieties, irrigation schedules and crop management practices to cope with these challenges 24.
Lên lực tí pi rồi. Lên lực tí pi à? Lực tí pi à? Lực tí mũ, tôi mua.